Get ready, because WatchWire News is igniting your feed with the hottest tech and manufacturing updates you need to know. We're diving into a special edition, glow-in-the-dark Apple Watch band that's straight out of the future. And then we're revealing 4 brand new, super stylish watch faces coming your way with watchOS 26. But that's not all. We're heading to Kentucky to see how Apple and Corning are revolutionizing iPhone and Apple Watch glass production. And we've got groundbreaking news on whether your smartwatch could soon be a key player in detecting pregnancy abnormalities. You don't want to miss this. Hit that like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you're the first to know. Nomad's icy blue glow Apple Watch band shines bright, literally. Ever wished your Apple Watch band could do more than just look good? Nomad might have just delivered with their special edition Rocky Point band in icy blue glow, a band that literally lights up the night. This isn't just any band. It's crafted from FKM fluoroelastomer rubber, making it 100% waterproof and breathable thanks to its integrated vents, while the hardware boasts rugged grade 5 titanium. The real magic happens when this pale white band meets sunlight. It transforms, absorbing light to emit a vibrant, photoluminescent blue glow in the dark, a look that's been described as straight out of TRON. While the subdued white might not be everyone's first choice for daytime wear, especially with the Apple Watch Ultra's titanium finish, the nighttime glow is undeniably spectacular. For those who prefer a more understated aesthetic, Nomad also offers the special edition carbon black version, which features a deep, matte black finish fused with carbon powder for an almost Vantablack appearance, paired with black titanium hardware. This Rocky Point band is designed specifically for the Apple Watch Ultra and shares the same reliable attachment mechanism as other Nomad bands. While it's built for durability, capable of withstanding swimming, hiking, and yard work, users should be aware that the lighter colors, like the icy blue glow, can show smudges and marks over time, proving somewhat difficult to clean completely even with soap and water. Despite this, the unique glow feature and robust construction make the $89 special edition icy blue glow band a standout accessory for those looking to add a futuristic and fun element to their Apple Watch. Public reaction has been a mix of awe at the glowing effect and practical concerns about durability. Analysts note that limited edition accessories like this tap into the strong desire for personalization among Apple Watch users, driving demand for unique features. Don't miss the next wave of Apple innovation. We're diving into the stunning new watch faces coming to your wrist. Next up, watchOS 26 is dropping some serious style bombs. watchOS 26 unleashes 4 dazzling new Apple Watch faces. Get ready to refresh your wrist game, because Apple is rolling out watchOS 26, bringing 4 incredible new watch faces designed to boost personalization, wellness, and style on your Apple Watch. This update, part of the 2025 Apple Watch lineup, focuses on giving users more expressive options. Beyond aesthetics, these faces offer unique functionalities, with special designs reserved for the premium Apple Watch Ultra and Hermes models. The new faces include an enhanced astronomy face with real-time celestial views, the bold and customizable Typograph Plus face, an artistic gradient face that blooms throughout the day, and the exclusive Heritage face for Hermes users, inspired by traditional watchmaking. These aren't just cosmetic changes. The update also brings significant performance enhancements and wellness features. Users can expect improved animations and faster refresh rates on the astronomy face, multiple complications and font choices on Typograph Plus, and a peaceful, creative vibe from the blooming art face. The Heritage face adds a touch of luxury and legacy for Hermes owners. The update is available for Apple Watch Series 6 and newer, including SE models, and can be installed via the Watch app on your iPhone. Tech enthusiasts and Apple fans are buzzing about the increased customization options, with many highlighting the Typograph Plus and the blooming art face as personal favorites. Social media is already filling with mock-ups and discussions about how these new faces will complement different lifestyles and outfits, reinforcing Apple's strategy of integrating technology seamlessly into daily life. But Apple's innovation doesn't stop at software. We're heading to the heart of American manufacturing next. Next up, a massive deal is brewing in Kentucky for your iPhone and Apple Watch glass. Apple and Corning's Kentucky plant gears up for exclusive iPhone and Apple Watch glass production. Apple is significantly deepening its partnership with glass manufacturing giant Corning Inc., earmarking its Harrodsburg, Kentucky plant to become the sole global producer of cover glass for all future iPhones and Apple Watches. This strategic move involves a massive $2.5 billion investment from Apple, enabling Corning to triple its production capacity and boost its workforce by 50% at the Harrodsburg facility. This collaboration, which began with the very first iPhone in 2007, signifies Apple's commitment to bolstering American manufacturing. The Harrodsburg plant will eventually be entirely dedicated to producing this critical component for Apple's flagship devices, a move that has garnered bipartisan praise. Corning's chief operating officer, Hal Nelson, stated that this initiative will create a next-generation U.S. manufacturing platform. Apple CEO Tim Cook emphasized that customers worldwide will be holding precision glass made right here in Kentucky. By the end of 2026, this plant will be the exclusive source for all iPhone and Apple Watch cover glass. The partnership also includes plans to establish an innovation center at the Kentucky plant, fostering joint research and development between Apple and Corning scientists and engineers. The announcement has been met with immense enthusiasm in Harrodsburg, with employees like Tommy surely expressing pride and optimism for the plant's future and the community's stability. This expansion is expected to bring the plant's workforce to at least 500 employees, providing a significant economic boost to the region and reinforcing the importance of advanced manufacturing in the U.S. Could your smartwatch soon play a role in crucial health monitoring? Coming up, groundbreaking claims about Apple Watch, Garmin, and Fitbit detecting pregnancy abnormalities. Smartwatches may soon detect pregnancy abnormalities, scientists claim. In a potentially groundbreaking development, scientists are exploring the capabilities of popular smartwatches like the Apple Watch, Garmin, and Fitbit to detect early signs of pregnancy abnormalities, offering hope for more accessible and proactive maternal health care. Researchers are investigating whether the advanced sensors in these wearable devices can pick up subtle physiological changes indicative of potential issues during pregnancy. While still in the early stages, the concept hinges on the device's ability to continuously monitor vital signs, sleep patterns, and activity levels, which could collectively signal deviations from a healthy pregnancy trajectory. This research could revolutionize prenatal care, especially for individuals with limited access to regular medical checkups. The idea is that a smartwatch could act as an early warning system, prompting users to seek professional medical advice sooner rather than later. The potential impact is significant, aiming to improve outcomes for both mother and child by facilitating timely interventions for conditions like preeclampsia or gestational diabetes. While the scientific community awaits peer-reviewed data, the mere possibility has generated considerable excitement and discussion online. Health tech analysts suggest that if proven effective, this could be a major leap in leveraging consumer technology for critical health monitoring, potentially making pregnancy safer globally. That's all the breaking news for today, but we've got a lightning recap coming right up. Stay tuned for a quick rundown of all the top stories. And that's a wrap on today's WatchWire news. We saw Nomad's incredible icy blue glow Apple Watch band light up the night, explored the 4 stylish new faces coming with watchOS 26, witnessed Apple and Corning supercharging American manufacturing in Kentucky, and learned about the potential for smartwatches to detect pregnancy abnormalities. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this update valuable, subscribe to WatchWire News for your daily dose of essential news, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. For more exclusive content and to join the conversation, follow us on all our social media platforms. Links are in the description below. We'll see you next time.